What are you singing? What are you doing? You're not even asleep. Stop!
It seems to us that you know nothing about jungles or savannas.
And why would people let a lion sleep in their village? Madness!
I wonder what other ecosystems you are clueless about.
Ecosystems!
Well, we just know lions live in the jungle and sleep at night.
Oh dear. Lions live in the savannah, not the jungle, and they sleep during the day. They're most active at night.
But don't worry, we are top ecosystem boffins and we are here to take you on a journey to different ecosystems so you can learn the truth.
A journey? Where to? Everywhere, from the scorching deserts to the frozen Arctic to the deep blue ocean and to the tallest rainforest trees.
To the ecosystem transporter. In English, we've been creating stories about different ecosystems. We've thought of exciting plots, for example, a group of friends facing a terrifying sandstorm.
We planned and wrote stories about the desert using different planning techniques to develop our ideas.
Whoa, it's so hot and dry here. What animals even live in the desert?
Look, a camel. Camels can go for days without water because they're still fat in their home.
And don't forget the fennec fox. Its fingers help it lose heat and stay cool. That's adaptation. Everything here has evolved to survive in the extreme heat and little water. Let's keep moving. In art, we studied Alma Thomas. She's a famous artist from America who uses brushstrokes to create her artwork. We created the rainforest artwork. You can see here using her bright colors and techniques.
Here? No, not here!
Whoa, look at this face. It's so green and noisy. That's because rainforests are home to more animals than any other ecosystem. Look, monkeys, toucans, sloths.
And let's not forget the Amazon River, one of the most important rivers in the world. It's home to piranhas and even pink river dove.
But rainforests are in danger because of deforestation. That's when people cut down trees too quickly and animals lose their homes.
So we should plant the rainforest.
Exactly. Now let's head somewhere wetter.
learned the artwork of Melanie Hover, an Australian artist who is inspired by the oceans around her.
We used our knowledge of tints and shades to create an ocean background and painted reefs and ocean animals on top.
Here? No, not here!
Wow, the ocean is huge. It covers most of the planet. And it's full of amazing creatures like sea turtles, jellyfish, and even whales.
But plastic pollution is a big problem for the oceans. Animals can get trapped in rubbish or mistake plastic for food.
We should use less plastic and always recycle.
Exactly. Every ecosystem we visit is special and is protecting. Where next?
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice.
In maths, we've been learning how to present data in different ways. We created our own line graphs to represent the temperature in different ecosystems.
Here? No, not here!
It's freezing here.
But animals will survive. For example, polar bears with a thick fur and a layer of fat to keep warm. And Arctic foxes. Their fur changes colour with the seasons to blend in.
That's another example of adaptation. But the Arctic is melting because of climate change, which is dangerous for these animals.
So we need to help stop the climate change by using less energy and recycling. Yes. Now let's head to our last ecosystem.
We have been learning about food chains and food webs. This is how energy is transferred throughout ecosystems.
In the savannah, interdependence is important as living and non-living things rely on each other to survive.
Whoa, look at the tall grass and scattered trees. This must be the savannah.
Look, a lion, an elephant, giraffes, even zebras. This must be where lions really live.
Finally, I'm home!
That's right. The savannah is warm and full of grasslands. Animals here often move in herds to stay safe.
And during the dry season, water can be hard to find. Animals have to travel far to drink.
It's amazing how every ecosystem is so different.
And yet they're all connected. What happens to one can affect others. Let's head back to share what we've learned.
Every ecosystem we visited is special and needs protection.
So I've learned that lions don't live in the jungle. Deserts are super dry, but the animals adapt.
Rainforests are full of life but need protecting.
This freezing and climate change is a big problem. And the ocean is huge, but pollution is a danger.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have something very important to do. Anyway, every ecosystem is unique and important, and we all have a part to play in protecting them. I've written some new words. Perhaps this time we can sing something that's true. Cue music. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
In the desert, the sky was better.
Thank you for listening to Assembly.